We're back again with another trade recap. Yesterday's recap, 3rd of September, Wednesday, 3rd of September. As from Tuesday's buys, we were bullish. We are around here. Tuesday, we were targeting this 4 hour imbalance, and we were very bullish SMT. We had another internal SMT, and price looked like it it wants to push way higher. We have this imbalance right here holding bullishness. And we took our previous week low. So I was targeting previous week low. So going to open, that's what I was looking at. We were still not yet filled into this 4 hour imbalance. So let me go down to the 15-minute time frame, see where we were going and open. So going to open, this 4 hour is still open, untapped into. So I want us to see us take relatively equal lows. We want to see price come down, take out these lows, sweep these lows, and then with shift structure to the upside. Looking for longs, targeting previous week high, which I knew it was going to be a swing. I really knew it was going to be a swing, but I just really wanted to hold it, and I'll kind of end up showing you what ended up happening. So, market open, we run below all those lows, we rally below those lows. We consolidate here for a while going into 10 o'clock because we had news at 10 o'clock. So we consolidate here going into news. At 10 o'clock news, we rally lower a little bit, and then we have a very first shifting market structure, changing the state of delivery. We have this down close candle being ran, price pushing higher. And then I took a long about somewhere here. Took longs about somewhere here. Let me just put the long annotation. Stab longs about somewhere here. Stop at the recent low, and my take profit was that previous weekly high. Let's go. TP was previous weekly high. Oh my god. My TP was previous weekly high. So what ended up happening? Price rallying higher. As you can see, we not even a 1 and 2 hour multiple. Price ended up rallying higher. We had this 5 minute imbalance right here. We have a 5 minute right here, and the price ended up rallying higher, and then end up coming back, stopping us out, taking out that low one more time before continuing to the upside. So this has been a regular thing of having long price targets and not having internal draws and just looking at external draws that price can come back a lot and stop you out like it did yesterday, like it did the other day. Price rallying higher and then stopping us out before continuing in our original direction. So yesterday we had price. We were looking very bullish. We had a 5 minute. Really didn't think that we'd come back down and price stop us out. And the S&P 500 was so look weak. I thought it would take that low and form an SMT low maybe. But price ended up coming back and stopping us out. My God, the Wi-Fi is slow. The Wi-Fi, man. And the Wi-Fi is back on. So it's been a regular trend of price coming moving higher and stopping us back out. So I think my targets should change. Target internal liquidity more, or at least take partials. But the reason why I didn't take off at when price rallied at least above these highs is I was so uh badly placed in the trade that I wasn't up much to take partials in here, and I entered with a relatively low size. So I couldn't take partials here. I just had to wait for the market to give me more. At least run these highs. Maybe I would have took partials. But it's been a regular trend of price coming back, stopping the sap, continuing for 2 days now. Coming here, tapping, rallying higher, stopping us up, continuing to rally higher. So going into the week, that's my bias. I do have another trade on GBP USD, which I believe is gonna go lower. So I think I will review this trade later. It is a swing trade. Probably in tomorrow's review after we see what um we see what's happening. But I like the fact that we closed outside this 4 hour. It's looking really good. And tomorrow's CPI. Only thing that I don't like is that we have this imbalance above this daily imbalance. So tomorrow's CPI, really gonna see what's gonna happen. But those are that's the trade I took yesterday. I'm very bullish, very bullish going into the week. Was unfortunate that I got stopped out. Had I had a better entry, maybe right at that 1 minute change in the state. Once we had the change in the state, I think I would have had a better RR, and I would have been better off just taking out everything here. You know, had I gotten here, I would have had a better RR, and then I would have taken probably my whole position off just right at this internal high because I think we had an internal SMT. Yeah, we did have an SMT, and price came back, taking those lows one more time and stopping us out. Second loss for the week, second trade, second loss. It's another good loss. Everything was good. I did everything good. 4 hour manipulation. Um, took out those equal lows, waited for 1 minute change of state, then went long. Really unfortunate that I got stopped out. Um, lesson I learned is take partials, but yesterday I could have taken partials because I was just so not placed well in the trade that I was so placed so high in the trade that taking partials right here would have been close to nothing, giving me nothing, and I just want to let it run all the way up into previous week's high. So that's the trade recap. Another trade this week, another loss. 3rd of September, Wednesday, another loss. Took a loss yesterday. Second loss of the week. Going to the third day of my third trading day of the week, Thursday, 4th of September. We're gonna see how the market treats us today. Probably if we get a W today, we're gonna be well. If we're well placed and we get a W today, we might make those losses back. I'm not too focused on making them back, but one thing to keep in mind is it's CPI tomorrow, and I really want to see these highs being taken. I really want to see us go above and take these highs, and then so that's my draw on liquidity. That's what I'm looking at. Those are my trade recaps, and till tomorrow, I'm gonna update you guys on this GBP USD trade, but um till next time.